understand the things that you do. We're stuck at a costume party, dressed in your shoes. If I could have anybody, you know that it would be you. And I get this feeling in my chest, and you're not here now, I'm upset. And all the memories I can't suppress. But it's too much, like that night we had in Chicago. And you pulled me up to that roof, and we played God with the people below us, and then a toy car. What? Why do I miss you like I miss you? Now you're out of my life. I know what you're doing tonight. Tell me what's something, now I'm nothing, and I miss what I tried. I wanna know what you're doing tonight. If I could be anybody, I would be you. Keep my emotions in a box like you do. And do you ever think about coming back to kiss my eyes? And it's always me. And I get this feeling in my chest, and you're not here now, I'm sad. All the memories I can't suppress, going to my eyes. Like that night we had in the pillow. You pulled me up to that roof, and you played God with the people below us, and then to my cars. I would be lying if I wasn't before. Why do I miss you like I miss you? Now you're out of my life. I know what you're doing tonight. Tell me there's something, now I'm nothing, and I miss what that's like. I know what you're doing tonight. Wanna 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 know what you're doing tonight. Let me hear it. Even louder than let's go. Wanna know what you're doing tonight. Wanna know what you're doing tonight. Doing something out of nothing, and I miss what that's like. I don't miss you like I miss you. Now you're out of my life. I know what you're doing tonight.